Welcome to Future Robotics. In this video we will be looking at the evolution of industrial robotics. The early 20th century witnessed a manufacturing revolution. Factories adopted assembly lines, dramatically increasing production. However, limitations remained. Many tasks still relied on human workers. Humans, while adaptable, are prone to fatigue and error. This impacted the speed and precision of production. Consistency and quality also suffered. A need for a better solution was evident. Machines offered the potential for greater efficiency and accuracy. In 1954, George Devil patented a groundbreaking invention. His creation? A programmable robotic arm. This marked the birth of industrial robotics. Devill's invention could perform tasks automatically. It could handle repetitive motions with consistency. The arm offered the potential to revolutionize factories. It promised increased speed, precision, and safety. Devill's vision needed a driving force to become reality. He had the innovative idea, but it required someone with the right expertise and entrepreneurial spirit to bring it to life. Enter Joseph Engelberger, an engineer and entrepreneur. Engelberger was not just any engineer, he had a keen eye for groundbreaking technology and a passion for automation. Engelberger recognized the immense potential of Devill's invention. He saw beyond the blueprints and prototypes, envisioning a future where robots could revolutionize industries. Together, they embarked on a mission. Their collaboration was more than just a partnership, it was a melding of minds and a shared dream. Their goal was to create the first industrial robot. They worked tirelessly, combining Devill's inventive genius with Engelberger's practical engineering skills. In 1959, their collaboration bore fruit. After years of hard work, trials, and refinements, they finally had a working model. The Unimate number 001 was born. This was not just a machine, it was a symbol of innovation and the dawn of a new era in manufacturing. This first industrial robot was ready to transform manufacturing. It promised to increase efficiency, reduce human error, and take on tasks that were too dangerous for people. The world watched with anticipation. The debut of Unimate was a historic moment, marking the beginning of the robotic revolution in industries worldwide. Section 4. Transforming Industries, Unimate's Legacy. General Motors recognized the potential of the Unimate. This groundbreaking robot was the brainchild of George Devil and Joseph Engelberger, who envisioned a future where robots could handle the most tedious and hazardous tasks in manufacturing. In 1961, the company installed Unimate in its New Jersey plant. This marked the first time a robot was used in an industrial setting, a monumental step forward in automation. Unimate's task was simple but crucial. It was designed to perform repetitive tasks with precision and reliability, something human workers found monotonous and exhausting. It performed die casting and spot welding. These tasks required a high degree of accuracy, and were essential to the manufacturing process. These tasks were dangerous and repetitive for human workers. The introduction of Unimate meant that workers no longer had to risk their safety performing these hazardous jobs. Unimate excelled, working tirelessly and accurately. The impact was undeniable. Productivity soared, worker safety improved. The robot could work around the clock without fatigue, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency. This success marked a turning point. Other industries took notice. The media covered Unimate extensively, and soon the idea of robotic automation began to spread like wildfire. The demand for industrial robots surged. Factories around the world began to adopt similar technologies, leading to a boom in the robotics industry. A new era had begun. The legacy of Unimate paved the way for the advanced, intelligent robots we see in today's factories, forever transforming the landscape of industrial manufacturing. Section 5. The evolution of robotics from Unimate to today. Unimate, the pioneer, paved the way. Robotics evolved rapidly throughout the 1970s and 1980s. New generations of robots emerged. They possessed enhanced capabilities. Sensors provided robots with perception. Computerized controllers enabled complex actions. Robots became more versatile and adaptable. They found applications in various industries. Manufacturing, welding, painting, and assembly all embraced automation. Section 6. The future of robotics, a new era of automation. Unimate, while revolutionary, was primitive compared to modern robots. It marked the beginning of a journey that has transformed industries and continues to evolve at a rapid pace. Today's robots are marvels of engineering. designed to perform tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. They are smaller, faster, and more intelligent, capable of adapting to various tasks and environments with ease. Equipped with advanced sensors and computing power, these robots can process vast amounts of data in real time, making them incredibly efficient and reliable. These robots collaborate seamlessly with humans, enhancing productivity and safety in the workplace. They are designed to work alongside people, learning and adapting to human needs. They perform intricate tasks with incredible precision, from assembling tiny components to performing delicate surgeries. The future of robotics is bright, with continuous advancements pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. Advancements in artificial intelligence will further enhance capabilities, enabling robots to learn, adapt, and make decisions autonomously. Robots will continue to reshape industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to logistics and beyond, driving efficiency and innovation. They will create new possibilities and redefine the nature of work, opening up opportunities for new types of jobs and ways of working. The journey that began with Unimate continues to unfold, showcasing the incredible progress made in the field of robotics. The revolution is far from over as we stand on the brink of even more groundbreaking innovations in robotics. Thank you for staying throughout the video. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on industrial robotics. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to not miss any updates on industrial robotics. Also share this video to anyone who might be interested in robotics. This is Future Robotics. See you in the next video.